Hello everyone, welcome back to Quang MKT, where marketing meets automation. In this video, I'm gonna show you the way to warm up multiple accounts on Twitter platform. So now let's get to the point. Look at the main screen right now. We are at the account management function and we move to the interactive function. So first of all, look at the right hand side, see the interactive run configuration, and we have to set up all these things. Firstly, you add the script. You name the script like warm up account. Okay. And the total action selected will be counted automatically when you choose each specific action, and it will load over here the total action that you choose. The interval between two actions will be from 20 to 40, or based on you can minimize it from 50 to 30, and no duplicate interaction between those accounts if you want. About the setting AIs, you can have some choices with the AI like commenting, messaging, replying, as well as the birthday wish. About the interaction, personal will read the notification, and you can set up to scroll new feeds. Also like posts from 1 or 2 posts, random post or sequential posts. Okay, even repost. I will choose repost one post. Comment post from 1. Okay, nice post. You enter the content over here, and each line, each content. You can also bookmark the post. Okay, and follow from how many accounts if you want. From I will choose from 4 to 7. About the interaction follow, you interact with how many accounts you want, from 2 to 3 accounts. You react posts from their accounts, and you unfollow also, and you can follow account or following account from 1 or 2 accounts. You comment on that post and send random message from them, and you send random message and also repost and bookmark. The interaction tracked, you interacting with the followers like react post, unfollow them, follow account or following accounts, as well as comments on the post and sending random message from, as well as repost. So what about the interaction community? Scroll new feed from the community by keyword or random. If you choose by keyword and you enter the keyword over here like bot, and each word scroll 5 community, and each community views from 5 to 7 posts. You can react the post, okay, and also react the comment or follow the members from that community, each community from 2 to 3 accounts or so. You can also comment to the post, and you enter comment here. You reply the comment, repost, you join the community, as well as you can leave the community as well. Okay, and last but not least, the interaction aside. You can choose personal or community. With personal, based on the personal UID, you interact with the users by the UID and react, follow, comment, send random, repost, and bookmark. And also with the community, you also interact with the community by ID. React, join the communities from the UID, as well as comment, repost, and bookmark. Okay, and totally I have 15 actions selected, so you can choose all the actions, or less, not can be over 15, right? I will choose 10. Okay, and no duplicate interaction action, and we save. So now let's select the script. You transfer account, hit the next arrow, you enter the large number for me, and you can get account information or change account language. This will even log out from all device, and you can also repeat the action and enter the time. So let's choose the category, choose all the accounts, enter start.
Okay, and that is easy, right? And that's all about our video today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorial every week. See you in the next video.